Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have another headset from QCY, and this is the T1 Pro, which is a more premium product compared to the QS1 or QS2. As we can already see here, the case is made of aluminum and it looks very nice indeed. It's written on the box that one charge will give you about 4 hours of music and 100 hours of standby, which is quite good. Well, let's cut the box open and see what's inside. The box is also nicely made with a plastic window in front, and everything is well packed inside. Inside here we have a few things. Here are extra earbuds, in different sizes of course. They are pretty standard buds, so nothing special about them. And here are what they call ear wings. These will make sure that the earphones stay securely in the ears even while doing activities. The charging cable is a typical micro USB to standard USB. There is also a user manual included. It's in English, but let's skip that for now. These are very easy to use and set up. Here's the case, which is made of aluminum, and the earphones slide out nicely on the side. Inside is a soft layer so the case can open and close with a smooth movement and there's no rattling sounds. It feels solid and looks very nice. The case battery capacity is 750 mAh according to the specifications and should give about 20 hours of music. The earphones also look very nice in white with a silver lining. I wish the case was a bit thinner though, because it's a bit too thick for putting in a pocket. The earphones are as usual held in by magnets, but are a bit clumsy to get out with my sausage-sized fingers. On the back we have the micro USB connector for charging, and there are 4 LEDs that show the charge status. Just push the button to check the remaining capacity. Okay, let's have a closer look at the earphones. They are made of plastic, but they look very nice, especially with the metal ring around the front. It makes them look a bit more premium. The wings are soft and will make sure they stay firmly in your ears, which is very convenient if you're jogging or doing other activities with a lot of movements. On the back we have standard rubber buds that isolates the surrounding sounds very well. On the back we also have the 2-pin charging connector. The button on the side is a touch-sensitive area, so we only have to touch it to activate. No need to use any force at all. Behind the grill at the bottom are the LED lights and the microphone. Overall, the earphones look and feel very good, and I usually get around 3 hours of music per charge. The T1 Pro also has built-in CVC noise reduction, so that's nice. When it comes to sound quality, I have no complaints here either. The sound is rich, clear, and have a good amount of bass, even without tuning with the equalizer. The microphone is also good for calls. People had no problems hearing me, and I so far didn't get any complaints or comments about the sound quality. Changing the rubber buds is easy. Just pull it off like that and push it back on. There are 3 different sizes included. The wings can also be replaced, which is nice because wearing the wrong size wings can get a bit painful after a while. If you find a size uncomfortable, you can choose a different size. It's very easy to take off and on. As usually, there are magnets holding the earphones in the case. Just drop them in and they will sit in there quite good. They're not gonna fall out even if you shake the box. To charge, I'll use a powerbank, and we can see the charge level on the back of the case. It looks like the lights are blinking, but it's only on the camera. I cannot see any blinking with my eyes. If you open the case, we can also see that the earphones are charging. The light will turn white for a few seconds when they are fully charged and then turn off. Pairing with a phone is as easy as always. First take the earphones out of the case and turn the Bluetooth on the phone. Click the T1 Pro R in the list and it's done. Remember, we only need to connect to the right earphone. The left one will automatically connect to the right one, so it's not supposed to be paired with the phone. Under the device information, we can also see the battery status, which is very handy. Now let's check how quickly it will reconnect after being disconnected for a while. Only took a few seconds, so that's good. Now let's try the music controls. Tap once to play and pause. All controls work on both left and right earphone. The controls can also be used to answer and reject phone calls. Double tap the right earphone to skip to the next song. Double tap the left earphone to skip to the start of a song, or double tap again to go to the previous song. The tapping can be a bit hit and miss, as it doesn't always respond to the touches, but most of the time it works fine. Google Assistant or Siri can be activated by holding for 1 second.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. What does Thor call his underpants? Thunderwear.
They are also quite comfortable to wear, and the wings secure them from falling out, even while doing activities like jogging. Overall, this is a very nice looking product from QCY. I like the white and clean design, and the charging case looks very good, although it is a bit too thick to put in a pocket. Being able to check the battery status on the case itself is also very nice. Good quality sound and a very nice looking product indeed, so thumbs up from me. If you want to purchase these earphones, there's a link in the video descriptions below. Hope you liked the video and remember to subscribe, comment and like. If you have any questions, just post them below and I'll get back to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.